We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 25. Yolanda wrote a number. The digit in the millions place is an 8. So option A is not correct. Next one. The digit in the thousands place is a 6. So we can eliminate D here. Last one. The digit in the hundredths place is a 2. Since all the conditions of the problem were met, C is the correct answer. The list shows the numbers of points a basketball team scored during the games the team played last season. The stem and leaf plot also shows these data. Let's match the stem and leaf plot to the above list of numbers. So, number 2 goes in the empty square to complete the stem and leaf plot. 2 is the correct answer. Question number 27. Angle TUV is shown on the protractor. What is the measure of angle TUV to the nearest degree? The UT ray passes through 10 degree. The UV ray passes through 70 degree. So the measure of angle TUV is 70 degrees subtracts 10 degrees equals 60 degrees. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Question number 28. On Thursday, 50 books were returned to a library. On Friday, 4 times as many books were returned to the library as books that were returned on Thursday. Which set of equations can be used to find B, the total number of books returned to the library on these 2 days? Let's find how many books were returned to the library on Friday. It's 50 books times 4 equals 200 books. On Thursday, 50 books were returned to a library. The total number of books returned to the library on these 2 days equals the sum of 250. Hence, J is the correct answer.